雀枝头叫喳喳，鸳鸯戏水成双对，翠鸟湖面鱼儿飞。喜鹊报喜吉祥到，乌鸦帮忙来筑巢。凤凰勤劳心地好，七彩羽毛传说送今朝。
梧桐树下的牵挂，生命的挚爱。百鸟朝凤迎春夏，梦想都开了花。鹦鹉学舌说着话，麻雀枝头叫喳喳，鸳鸯戏水成双对，翠鸟湖面鱼儿飞。喜鹊报喜吉祥到，乌鸦帮忙来筑巢。凤凰勤劳心地好，七彩羽毛传说送今朝。What are we going to do? What are we going to do?
Hey, where did you go?
The drought! The drought! Everyone has to know!
What? Drought?
I saw that the lake on Treading Mountain is drying out!
How could that be?
Little Crow?
I'm fine. Are you joking?
I'm not joking. Little Crow, hurry up and tell everyone.
Tell them what? Leave home to escape the famine?
Of course not. At least, don't waste food anymore.
Don't waste food anymore. Tell them that?
We should at least try to make them save a little bit.
It's useless. You only make everyone more nervous. And when you're nervous, you panic. And when you panic, I don't know what trouble this will cause. Trust me, it'll be okay. It's getting late. The dance party is about to begin. This time, you all see my talent for sure. Little Phoenix. They still don't like my dance.
The grass is all gone. Will Grandpa Tree be okay?
Don't worry. Trees are not the same as grass.
Little Crow, replace me for a while. Make sure to catch all of them.
Huh? Hey, I have to go dance. I got it.
Trees and grass are the same. Little Crow!
What's wrong now? Do you want to drink some water first?
The trees are the same as grass. The trees in the valley are dying.
Wow.
We must tell everyone and find a way to help Grandpa Tree through the crisis.
Help Grandpa Tree through the crisis? Help Grandpa Tree? We don't have to worry about Grandpa Tree. Grandpa Tree has been alive for thousands of years. He has seen all kinds of floods and droughts. Why does he need our help?
But the trees in the valley...
I'm exhausted today. I want to go home and get a good sleep. Don't worry. Grandpa Tree will be fine.
Grandpa Tree, are you...
A big drought is coming. You have to leave here.
But what about you? You're also in danger, right?
For a long time, you have never wasted any food. I will grant you this feather of diligence. With it, you can fly like other birds. Leave at dawn. The further you go, the better.
No, Grandpa Tree, I'm not going anywhere. I want to stay here with you.
Oh, child, don't be silly.
But is there no other way?
Unless someone can find the legendary Sky Feather City and find the powerful King of Birds.
Grandpa Tree. Grandpa Tree. Grandpa Tree.
What happened to Grandpa Tree?
What? No fruit today. Wait, why are the leaves so yellow?
Little Phoenix, you can fly?
I can fly. I can fly. I can fly.
Hey, watch it! You almost hit me!
Little Crow, I can really fly.
Although you're still not as good as me, you already fly very well. Pooh, can't be eaten. Pooh, can't be eaten. Nothing can be eaten.
There are no fruits today.
Don't even bother looking. We looked everywhere. We can't eat nothing from this tree.
It's all right. The fruits you have collected are enough for us to eat for months.
No, sorry. From morning until now, I haven't eaten anything. I'm so hungry.
Little Phoenix, everyone's been hungry for so long. Do you really have food?
Hey, come here! There's food here! Good, great, there's something to eat!
There's food in here.
Come on.
Everyone, slow down. Eat slowly. It's fine. Don't eat too much. Not too much. Little Phoenix, say something. There's no way we can let them eat like this.
But everyone is so hungry.
But these are all your fruits.
I collected all the fruits that everyone threw away because I didn't want to waste them. I think now is a good time to eat them.
But I shouldn't have said anything. If it was only me and Little Phoenix, we could have eaten this food for such a long time.
Don't rush, everybody. Eat slowly. Are you all full?
We're full! We're full! Thank you!
You're welcome. But what the little crow said makes sense. No matter how much fruit we save, the day will come when there is no more to eat. The most important thing now is to find a way to help Grandpa Tree recover.
But no one knows why Grandpa Tree is sick. How can we help him recover?
Yeah, that's right.
All his leaves are yellow, not because he is sick, but because of the drought.
Drought?
Drought? How do you know?
How do you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, how would you know?
What's a drought?
Because I saw it myself. The ground underneath the tree has dried and cracked. The trees in the valley are also dead. Even the lake on Trinity Mountain has dried up.
So, what can we do?
It's true. Little Crow has also seen it.
Yes, it's true. The leaves in the valley really are yellow.
How can we help Grandpa Tree get through this drought? Let's come up with ideas. Come on, everyone.
But we are just a flock of birds. What can we do to brave the drought?
Yeah, what should we do?
We don't know what to do. There's nothing we can do.
Even though we don't have a plan, the King of Birds surely has one. According to the legend, the King of Birds has the power to save us from the drought.
Yes, I heard this legend from my great-great-grandfather. The King of Birds has great magical powers. It said that birds who meet him can make a request. Oh, and you can also ask him a question. He can grant us anything you wish for.
He has the answer to any question you ask.
Yes, yes! We can go to the King of Birds. Let him solve the drought.
Hey, dummy! Of course we'll ask him how to solve the drought. Then we'll ask him for beautiful feathers.
Good idea! I'm going!
I'm also going. Count
Me
me
too,
in!
me too.
Me too!
What if it's just a legend? Where is Sky Feather City? Someone finding it is unheard of.
Since the legend exists, it means that someone must have seen the King of Birds. We need to find Sky Feather City.
But where's Skyfeather City?
But where is Skyfeather
Where
City?
can we find
It's
it?
too dangerous
How can
to
we
go
find it?
there.
Dangerous.
Where can we find
Who
it?
would
Want to
want
go
to
on
do
such a
that?
Who would go to
dangerous
such a
journey?
dangerous place?
Me, I do.
Huh?
Wow, so cool. This is so much cooler than dancing. Little Phoenix is right. Grandpa Tree is our home. In order to save him, we must not be afraid of what may come our way. Even if Skyfeather City is far away in the sky, we must find it. No matter what problems we encounter, we must overcome it.
Wow! Great! Great!
Little Crow, what you said was great.
You and Little Crow are willing to take risks for everyone, including Grandpa Tree. It's remarkable. So we've decided to give you this feather of gratitude. This is not only our gratitude, but also our blessing. I hope it can bring you good luck on your difficult journey of finding Skyfeather City. Wow, so beautiful.
We must succeed, no matter how many obstacles we encounter.
Yes? Wait, why us?
起床，阳光洒在我们的身旁，蓝天白云鸟儿飞过，欢乐的时光。鱼儿水里拍打浪花，小凤凰学飞充满欢乐。喜鹊唱歌，乌鸦拍声，欢笑声多美好。清风祝福我们拥有智慧和力量，没有烦恼，没有忧愁。梧桐树结的果子叫做幸福家乡。展翅翱翔，从蓝天飞过，五彩世界充满喜怒哀乐。展翅翱翔，